shirt. And I swung him around until he hit the door. Through the door. Boom.
Bam.
Oh shit. Hit me right in the face.
What?
I said, what's in that bitch? Hit me right in the face.
It's that good spice.
Yeah, it got me. Oh wait, I can't stand downwind of that.
You don't like that? You don't like it?
I just like fucking pepper spray. But anyway, so we got in this fight.
Mm-hmm.
We whooped their ass.
You gotta move like this.
Oh, okay.
Stay like over here.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You can put it right here. Cheers. What's that?
Les trofeo.
Huh?
Les trofeo.
Oh,
Yeah.
omelette de fromage. But yeah, that was a good time. And after that, they was like, oh yeah, Jerry, you know, you'll be down for that. What do you mean? I'm not doing one thing, you know, I'm gonna be down for some violence. You're worried about me.
Right?
I'm surprised y'all that was thinking trying to fight. Now, what would Jesus do for us?
Right?
Jesus said, be me, not me. Okay, I'm good with it. Y'all good with it? I'm good with it.
Jesus said, beat some ass.
Yeah, it's like, if he had to.
Right?
Most of the time, he ain't had to.
Yeah, this shit ain't working.
What you mean?
God damn it.
What's wrong?
Hold on.
It's too cold.
Yeah, I got it.
I mean, no, I'm saying that the pan is too cold.
No, I really need a warmer for this.